Day for football, and that's exactly what we've got. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as always, is Stuart Robson. And with the atmosphere really building up nicely, we should be in for a terrific contest. It's Paris Saint-Germain versus Arsenal.
Thanks, Derek. Well, both managers will be reminding their players of starting the game quickly, pinning the opposition back, playing the ball forward and regaining possession as quickly as possible. Hopefully, we get a really good game here.
Pepe. Bukayo Saka. Arsenal pushing forward with options available. And the referee says corner kick. Danger averted. Parejo. It's with Mikel Merino. Well, as he hit that one, it looked as though it had a chance. Steven Gerrard. Pelé. Hakimi. Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up. Rodri. Pelé. Well, can they open up the defence here? Well, they were very patient, but they no longer have the ball. Oh, great defending. They could nudge in front, and still danger here. In it goes! At the second time of asking, and the keeper feels hung out to dry.
Well, here it is again, and just look how he sets himself ready to hit this. He judges the flight of the ball perfectly, and what a sweet connection. That's a brilliant goal.
And the ball is moving again, and the question is, how will PSG reply to that setback? Hakimi. Great strong tackle, throw in forthcoming. Very alert defending to cut off the supply. Rodri. Pelé. Jesus. Pedri. Now options are plenty. Pelé. Well, just the tackle that was needed. Well, this is far from open. Oh, what an opportunity. Oh, that's a fine save. Well, that's how to dispossess your opponent. Victor Osimhen. Dembele. Pedri. The first half here comes to an end. Well, it's advantage Arsenal after the first 45 minutes, but still a long way from being decided here. Arsenal's free kick here. Well, that's how to hit them. Not quite accurate enough, though. Rabiot. Rodri. Pelé. Jesus. Oh, he's given the ball away. Steven Gerrard. Estupinian. Saka. Well, couldn't keep it. Nicely timed tackle. Martinez. And a tidy tackle. Osimhen. Well, showing excellent judgment to intercept. Gabriel Jesus. Went in strongly to win the ball. Deciding to give it to the keeper. Estupinian. Pepe. Osimhen. Saka. Mikel Merino. Di Maria likes to get on the ball, and he has teammates to pass it to. 10 minutes to go. Committed challenge. They get forward, but time is very much against them here. It will be a Paris Saint-Germain free kick. Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. Well, you might say, taking everyone by surprise. He didn't miss by much.
Well, this is all about his technique. The ball seems to gather pace the closer it gets to goal. That's a really good effort.
Well, you've got to savour such moments. Well, couldn't quite find his teammate. We've been waiting to find out. Now we know. A minimum of 3 added minutes here. Fine challenge from Pele. Great challenge. He got nothing but ball. So there it is, the final whistle, and a satisfying outcome for Arsenal and the many fans around the world. What did you think of the